Which of the following is not a correct match for climate region? That is CWD, Northern Rajasthan is not correct. Which is following the smallest agricultural climate zone in Rajasthan? That is not the humid. Average rainfall 57 to 58 I. How in how many climate region in Rajasthan divided? That was 5 climate regions in SK. Which is the following district experienced minimum air pressure? That was the Jaisalmer. हाईएस्ट परसेंटेज ऑफ द डिस्पैरिटी रेनफॉल जो होती है जैसलमेर में होती है. मानसून रेनफॉल इन द राजस्थान इंक्रीज कैसे होता है? सबसे पहले साउथ ईस्ट टू नॉर्थ वेस्ट की तरफ जाता है, साउथ ईस्ट से नॉर्थ वेस्ट की तरफ. विंटर रेन ऑफ इन द राजस्थान आर जनरली कर्स बाय. विंटर रेन होता है नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न विंड्स की वजह से. ओके, नाउ विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग इज द अरावली रेंज इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द लेस रेनफॉल इन राजस्थान दैट वॉज पैरेलल टू द मानसून. आइसोबर्न लाइन जो होती है दैट इज़ नॉन एज द सिरोही, उदयपुर, प्रतापगढ़ और झालावाड़ से जाती है. विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग्स आर द वार्मेस्ट इन द राजस्थान? दैट इज़ द जून. Origin of the western disturbance which caused rainfall in the winter season of the Rajasthan? That was caused the Mediterranean Sea and Caspian Sea. What is Mawat? Mawat rainfall occurring winter season in the Rajasthan. Which is the following district of Rajasthan experienced highest एवरेज रेनफॉल? दैट वाज झालावाड़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट में सबसे ज़्यादा रेनफॉल होती है. ठीक है. इन विच ऑफ द डायरेक्शन डज मानसून विंड ब्लो? दैट वाज द सी टू लैंड. आइसो हाइट विच डिवाइड्स राजस्थान इंटू टू पार्ट्स? दैट वाज नॉन द 50 सेंटीमीटर. फ्रॉम विच लैंग्वेज डज द मानसून वर्ड्स हैड बीन ओरिजिन? दैट वाज अरेबियन. विच इज़ द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट प्रोसेस ऑफ द डिजर्टिफिकेशन? दैट वाज द water erosion, that is a desertification. Which is the following district not included agroclimatic zone? So that was the Tonk is not included in the agroclimatic zone. According to the thermohets, the climatic classification of maximum part of the Rajasthan found, that was found D and W. विच रीजन ऑफ राजस्थान? ए डब्ल्यू जो है साउथ मोस्टर्न पार्ट्स में आता है. ठीक है, कॉपिन ने बताया था. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द बनास प्लेन. सो बनास प्लेन में हाइट फ्रॉम द मीन सी लेवल टू 150 to 300 मीटर एंड द accumulation of alluvial soil is a slope towards the base. That is not true. In the plain not suitable for agriculture. That is also not true. Which combination of the climate symbols was proposed by the Köppen? That was the BWHW. Which is the following not responsible for the rainfall in Rajasthan? Retreating monsoon is not. In which of the season the maximum sandstorm occurred? That was occurred in the summer season. Arid climate जो होता है that is because of the जैसलमेर. And the humid climate जो होता है that is भरतपुर, धौलपुर. Very humid जो होता है that was सिरोही. And semi arid जो होता है that was in the जालोर. Which of the following not a correct match of the Köppen? So CWY, that is northern Rajasthan, that is not the correct match. CWY. Which is the following are the correct? Average rainfall in the district of the western part of the Aravali is the 50 centimeter. Average annual rainfall of the 157 centimeter. Highest average annual rainfall found in the 90% of southern Aravali. The local name of the monsoonal wind is known as the Purvai. And EA क्लाइमेट इज़ फाउंड, दैट वाज द बाड़मेर एंड जैसलमेर में EA डी क्लाइमेट पाया जाता है. विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग इज द क्लाइमेट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट इन राजस्थान? पोलर इज डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट इन द राजस्थान. पोलर क्लाइमेट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है. ठीक है. विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग इज द करेक्ट? सो वेस्टर्न राजस्थान रिसीव रेनफॉल ड्यूरिंग विंटर ओनली. दैट इज़ नॉट टू. 50% राजस्थान एरिड है क्या? नहीं है. रेनफॉल इन राजस्थान इज द डिक्रीजेस फ्रॉम साउथ ईस्ट टू द नॉर्थ वेस्ट एंड द मेन सोर्स ऑफ राजस्थान इन द इज द बे ऑफ बंगाल. सो दैट इज़ ट्रू. विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स आर द कवर्ड अंडर द वेरी ह्यूमिड एरिया? वेरी ह्यूमिड में झालावाड़ होएगा, बांसवाड़ा आएगा. ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर जो डूंगरपुर को दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करती है. डायरेक्शन ऑफ द मानसून विंड ड्यूरिंग समर इज बिकॉज ऑफ द साउथ वेस्ट टू द नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न. Köppen classification for the climatic region based on the vegetarian. Who among the following consider rainfall as the base for the classification of climate? That was the Thordite. What do you mean by the BWHW? That was the arid tropical and desert climate. The climate region under the DAW climate is known as the Mewat. Monsoon word has its origin from the Arabian. Which is the following biggest agriculture climate zone in Rajasthan? That was humid southern plain. And in which of the direction does rainfall of Rajasthan increase? That is increased by northwest to southeast. Northwest to southeast. Which is the following is the cause of the winter rain? Mawat, that was a western disturbance होते हैं. Winter rainfall in Rajasthan occurred due to the northwestern wind. Which is the following situation found in the India highest percentage of the Rajasthan in India? That was the height disparity in the rainfall. Rainfall in winter occurring due to the western disturbance, that was the Mawat. The highest rate of annual transpiration is district because of the Jaisalmer, which is the following is responsible for the climate of the Rajasthan. So Rajasthan has hot and humid type of climate. That is not true. Rajasthan do not has a hot and humid, but it is hot and arid है यहाँ पे 90% rainfall from the southwestern and Rajasthan decreases from the south to north. पूर्वई जो होती है that is monsoon contain the wind coming from the east, that is the पूर्वई. In how many climate region the Rajasthan divided? That is the 5 region में divide किया गया है. What is the main reason behind through the occurring in the Rajasthan? So that was extension of the Ravli from southwest to the northeast. District in the Rajasthan having the highest average rainfall, that was the Jhalawar. District in Rajasthan having a highest disparity in the rainfall, that is the Jaisalmer. Which is the following district is the experience minimum pressure? That is the Jaisalmer. District having a semi-arid is Jaipur. Maximum rainfall in the Rajasthan occurred due to the south and the western. The season of the retreating monsoon in Rajasthan is because of the October-November, which is not correct. So district having a least rainfall in Ganganagar, so that is not correct. The duration of the cold weather season in Rajasthan is that was January to February. The average rainfall in Rajasthan that was 57 to 58 per centimeter. Rajasthan gets maximum rainfall from which branch? That was Bay of Bengal. Reason behind having the least temperature in the southern and the southwestern part of Rajasthan, that was height above the sea level. The northwestern region of the Rajasthan, that was humid in the east and the arid in the west. Rajasthan gets a very less rainfall due to this very large distance away from the sea. The monsoon wind gets dry. District situated in the East Aravalli range, that was the More. Which the following is the incorrect one? District having the least rainfall, that was Churu. Maximum thunderstorm occur in which of the district? That was the Ganganagar. Which is the following is the most humid district in Rajasthan? That was Jhalawar. What is the meaning of the word Lu? That was the hot and dry wind. Monsoon wind, how in the summer season from that was sea towards the land. Which is the following month is the warmest? Warmest is the June. Isohydral rainfall link the divides Rajasthan into that was the 50 centimeter. Ganganagar fall under the desert region and still has high humidity. That was the presence of large number of the canal. The monsoon rainfall in the Rajasthan moves in the direction that was the southeast to the northwest. Which of the following is the southernmost of the Rajasthan part? That was the Mahi basin. Which is the following is incorrect. Moral is the Panchanadem, that was incorrect. Which is the following code or the blow? So that was first the Chambal. Chambal was the Vapani. Luni, that was the Bandi. Mahi, that was the Anas, and the Banas, that was the Mansi. Which is the following known the Dead River? Dead River is the Gaggar River. The correct order of the drainage basin from north to south, that was Sabi, Banganga, Beda, Chandasom. Which is the following river not belong to the inland drainage of the Rajasthan? So that was Mitri is not. Which is the following not a tributary of the Banas River? So Parvati is not a tributary of the Banas River. Which is the following not correctly matched? So Gambhiri, that was Meshwa, that is not true. Mahi, Jakam, Kali Sindh, Parvan, and the Sabarmati, that was Majam. Som is the tributary of the Mahi. So Som is the tributary of the Mahi. Now match the following करना है. Satlaj is known as that was Meja. Banas is for the Bisalpur. Kothari is Meja, and Sukdi is for the Bakli. Which is the following river of the Rajasthan not included in inland drainage? So that was Parvati is not included. Dead river is the Gaggar River. The Bisalpur Dam is the Banas River, which is the following river internal drainage river, that was the Khari River. Anas Som River, that was Mahi, which is the following Luni River, not originated from, that was the Jojari, where there was the flood of the Gaggar River past water was up to, that was the Fort Abbas, which is the following is not tributary to Banas River, that was Banganga, which is following river of the maximum drainage जो है वो चंबल रिवर का होगा. खारी रिवर जो है दैट वाज विच ड्रेनेज सिस्टम, दैट वाज बे ऑफ बंगाल. इसके कुछ आंसर्स तो दिख नहीं रहे, एक मिनट आगे चलते हैं, वो बाद में करेंगे. थ्री रिवर मीटिंग नियर द मांडलगढ़. सो मांडलगढ़ के पास में है बेरस, बनास एंड मीनाल. Origin place of the Manasi Vakal river, that was the Fulwari Canal, Manasi Vakal. The waterfall situated in the Rajasthan is, that was the Menal waterfall, which is the following division of Rajasthan is highest number of river, that was Kota में जो है highest number of river हैं. Bhuj Lake is formed by which of the Rajasthan, that was found Kakni river, which is the following Aravali Arabian Sea, that was known as the Mahi, Luni, Som and Sabarmati. The river which drain into the Bay of Bengal is all, that is Banas, Chambal and Kalisin. The drainage system of which division of Rajasthan is part of the river falling into the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, that was Udaipur. Which is the following correct pair for the river famous with the name of the Kanthal ki Ganga, that was the Jojari and Banganga, and the Mahi and Chambal. River following from the Bikaner district, that was the Nan. Which is the following is the drain into the Anas Sagar lake, that was Bandi. Which is the following river originate from the Khamnor ki hill, that was the Banas river, Khamnor ki hill. The district group that was which Banas river does not passes, that was Udaipur, Bundi, Bhilwara, Najafgarh, इससे ये पास नहीं होता है. The river which called the Ganga ki Kanthal या Ganga ki Vagar, that was the Mahi. Rana Pratap Dam is situated in which of the following, that was Chambal. Bigot कहाँ है, that was in Banas. And Raj Mahal, that was related to the Banas, Bedach Menal. Rameshwar Ghat, that was Banas, Chambal and Seep. And the Kalisin, that was related to Som, Mahi and the Jakham. Luni river, so Luni is related to the Javai, and the Mahi related to the Son, and the Sabarmati related to the Vakal, and the Kalisin related to the Parban. The sequence of the Chambal Valley का जो sequence है, that is first will be the पार्वती के बाद में कालीसिन, देन उसके बाद में चंबल, देन है बनास. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लेक रूपनगढ़, मेंधा एंड द खंडेला रिवर इज फाउंड, दैट वाज द सांबर लेक में खंडेला रिवर पाई जाती है. जल महल लेक, दैट वाज नियर द जयपुर. पांडुपोल, दैट वाज द अलवर. लुणकेश्वर, दैट वाज द बीकानेर. एंड द फतेह सागर, that was the Udaipur. Which is the following Rajasthan is not covered under the national lake of the conservation, that was Swarup Sagar is not. Takht Sagar, so Takht Sagar related to the Jodhpur. The Malpura Karoli plain, that was the Banas river. Which is the following lake of the Rajasthan is not covered under the national lake conservation program, Swarup Sagar lake is not. Which is the following river not included in the Bay of Bengal, that was the Anas river is not. The Dead river is known as the Gaggar river. Which is the following recently made, so we don't know. Som की जो tributary है, that was Mahi. जल महल लेक, पांडुपोल वाटरफॉल, लुणकसर तो पता ही है बीकानेर में, फतेह सागर उदयपुर में है, पांडुपोल वाटर अलवर में है, और जल महल उदयपुर में है, जयपुर में है. विच इज़ द करेक्ट बताना है. बनास रिवर एंड बाणगंगा की ट्रिब्यूटरी लूनी कोठारी की है क्या? नहीं है. चंबल सुकरी नहीं है. माही जाखम यस. विच इज़ द फॉलोइंग आर द लेक के बारे में बताना है हमें. तो कांकनी, कांट, मेदा, रूपनगढ़ तो है, तो 4 तो आंसर आएगा. और कांकनी तो एक नदी है आई थिंक, तो 1 तो नहीं आना चाहिए. 3 और 4 मेंधा एंड कांकनी. कातली भी रिवर है. नाउ नेक्स्ट बेड़च, बाणगंगा, पार्वती एंड बनास. सो ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये करते हैं अभी को। विच ऑफ द रिवर ऑफ द राजस्थान नोन एज अ डेड रिवर, सो दैट इज गग्गर। गग्गर को हम डेड रिवर भी बोलते हैं। चंबल इज रिलेटेड टू द खमनोर की हिल। बनास इज रिलेटेड टू द चंबल इज रिलेटेड टू द जनापाओ की हिल, और बनास रिलेटेड टू द खमनोर हिल, एंड द बेड़स रिलेटेड टू द गोगुंदा की हिल, and the Gaggar is related to the Kalka Himalaya mountain, that is the Gaggar. The river which originates from the hill of Aravali situated north of the Udaipur, that was known as Banas river, which is not true. So Faisagar lake situated Udaipur नहीं, Faisagar कहाँ है? अजमेर में है. Which among the following lake lies the Bikaner? So Kolayat, Gajner and Lunaksar Sari. Which of the following are the correct? So यहाँ पर आएगा 1 2 1 3 4. बनास एंड माही रिवर गेट्स द मर्ज इनटू लूनी, दैट इज़ नॉट ट्रू. माही का मतलब क्या आता है? सो माही बे ऑफ बंगाल में है. गग्गर जो है दैट वाज डिजर्ट. कांकने दैट वाज द भुज लेक, एंड द वेस्टर्न बनास दैट वाज द बे ऑफ कच्छ. Which is the following is the border between the Banswara and the Dungarpur, that was the Mahi river. Lake whose foundation stone was laid by the Duke of Connaught, that was the Fateh Sagar lake. The lake of bank of which Toad Rock is situated, that was the Nucky lake. The maximum amount of the surface water available in which of the following river, that was the Chambal river में है. Meja Dam, that was in the Kothari. Jawar Sagar, that was in the Chambal. Bajaj Sagar, that was Mahi, and the Panchna lake, that was the Bhadravati and the Attamachi. Longest river of the Rajasthan regarding the catchment area, that was the Banas river. In which of the division Rajasthan highest number of the river flow, that was the Kota में से मोहनताना फोर्ट, that was in the Parvan and Kalisin. So मनोहर थाना. सो मनोहर थाना जो फोर्ट है वहाँ पर कौन सी रिवर है? परवन और काली सिंध है. ठीक है. अब मैच द फॉलोइंग है. चंबल जो है दैट इज़ रिलेटेड टू द चम्रवती. बनास जो है बनास इज रिलेटेड टू द होप ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट. माही रिलेटेड जो है दैट वाज गंगा ऑफ द कांथल, एंड द लूनी रिलेटेड टू द लंकावती. Which is the following drain in the water in the Bay of Cambay, that was the all. Som, Sabarmati, Mahi. The Chulia waterfall, that was the Chambal. Which is the following not the tributary of the Chambal? Lilari is not. The Bedach river is known for, that was the Ayar. The which is the following not the tributary of the Luni? Chakam is not the tributary of the Luni. Which is not correct बताना है. Moran Dam, that was Udaipur, that is not true. The catchment area of the Banas river does not lie Udaipur, Bundi, Kota, and the Bharatpur. The which is the following not a tributary of the river Banas? So that was Banganga is not the tributary of the Banas. Where is the rainfall in the hill of the Pushkar? Then flood comes, that was comes from Balotra. River having the longest catchment area in Rajasthan, that was the Chambal. The water of the which of the following river drain into the Bay of Bengal? That was the Banas river. Which is the following river is the water towards the Arabian Sea? That was the Luni, Mahi, Soman, Sabarmati. Ravine founds, that ravines are found in the Chambal basin. Which is the following origin of the Madhya Pradesh drain into the Bay of Cambay? ना नेक्स्ट वन इज़ पेज नंबर 71 पे थे हम. तो यहाँ पर है कि रेवाइन कहाँ पर फाउंड होते हैं. सो रेवाइन जो फाउंड होते हैं वो हम देखना था. ओके, रेवाइन जो फाउंड होते हैं दैट इज़ इन द चंबल बेसिन. ओके, नेक्स्ट है कि विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिवर ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम मध्य प्रदेश एंड ड्रेन इनटू बे ऑफ कैम्बे. सो बे ऑफ कैम्बे में जो रिवर जाती है दैट इज़ नोन एज द माही रिवर. द खारी रिवर इन द पार्ट ड्रेनेज सिस्टम, खारी रिवर किसका पार्ट है? दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ द बे ऑफ बंगाल। द वन एंड ओनली रिवर राजस्थान विच इज ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर से पास होती है, दैट ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर से, दैट इज माही रिवर। विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग रिवर मीट्स द कॉन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द बिगोद, बिगोद में जो कॉन्फ्लुएंस में मिलती है बेरज, बनास एंड द मेनाल। विच इज़ नॉट ट्रू, दैट वॉज राजसमंद लेक इन उदयपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, दैट इज नॉट ट्रू। The river then originate from the Naga hill of the and Ajmer have the fresh water and it is gets the saline afterward, that was Balotra. So that is known as the Luni. Which is the following is the incorrect? Lunaksar lake, that was Barmer, that is incorrect. Which is following river does not flow into the Kota, so that was Peeplaj does not flow into the Kota. Which is the following country helping in the project cleaning the Pushkar lake, that was the Canada. Canada is the helping in that for cleaning the Pushkar lake. Which is the following waterfall in the Rajasthan? So Menal waterfall, that is in the Rajasthan. Banas is tributary of, that is the tributary of the Chambal की ही है, ठीक है. Which among the following has been declared the wetland by the Ramsar Convention, that was the Kevla Dev and the Sambar lake. The Kanak Sagar situated, that was in Banas. Which among the following river drained their water into Bay of Bengal, that was known as the Chambal, Banas, Kalisin, Kothari and the Perach. Menal waterfall situated, that was the Chambal. Which among the following tributary of the Luni, Luni की जो है Jojri, Sukri and the Bandi. The basin of river Gaggar of the Hanumangarh, that was Nali. The largest artificial lake, that was the Jaisaman lake. The hump built in the Rajasthan, that was Nagaur and Ajmer में है. The following now Menal, that was the Banas, Berach and Menal. Baneshwar Dam, that was the Somai. Rameshwaram in the Banas and the Chambal and the Steep. Rajasthan largest, while India's second largest saline water, that was the Sambar lake. Sambar lake जो है, that is second largest saline lake है. The lake connecting the Pichola lake and the Fateh Sagar lake, that was the Swarup Sagar lake, and to contain the fertilizer in the produce from the blue green algae, that was the Moti lake. Lake which is the constructed Maharana Raj Singh for the Nauchauki, that was a Rajsaman lake. In which of the following lake people is the Khairwal caste produce salt, and that was the Pachbadra. The Queen Mary Janna Ghat, that was the Pushkar Sarovar Ajmer. Jagmandir and the Jagnivas Palace situated in the Pichola lake. The Natki ka Chabutra, that was the Pichola lake. The Playa lake is for the Jaisalmer. The temple of the Gevar Mata in the Rasaman lake. Which is the following are the correct? Som, Kamla, Amba, that was Dungarpur and the Udaipur. What is the length of the Indira Gandhi main canal? That was 445 km. Which is the following incorrect? So यहाँ सारे करेक्ट है. द मुकुंदरा हिल्स, तो मुकुंदरा हिल्स कहाँ पर है? तो ये कोटा, बूंदी, झालावाड़ एंड सवाई माधोपुर में आना चाहिए मुकुंदरा हिल्स वाला पार्ट. ओके, सो पेज नंबर 73 के बाद वाला जो पेज है इसमें यह है तो मुकुंदरा वाला क्वेश्चन. कोटा, बूंदी, झालावाड़ एंड सवाई माधोपुर. ओके, सो यहाँ पे मुकुंदरा का कौन कौन सा पार्ट आ रहा है? कोटा, बूंदी, चित्तौड़गढ़ एंड झालावाड़ आ रहा है. सवाई माधोपुर इसमें नहीं आएगा, इसमें आएगा चित्तौड़ एंड झालावाड़ मुकुंदरा में. ठीक है ना. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास सिद्धमुख. सिद्धमुख जो है जालोर और बाड़मेर में है. तो सिद्धमुख लेक कहाँ से रिलेटेड है? दैट इज़ द जालोर एंड बाड़मेर. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोजेक्ट स्प्रिंकलर इरीगेशन कहाँ पर होता है? तो दैट इज़ इन द नर्मदा कैनल प्रोजेक्ट्स के अंदर. ठीक है. नाउ है बाय विच ऑफ द सोर्स मैक्सिमम इरीगेशन डन? सो दैट वाज द ट्यूबवेल और वेल के थ्रू. यहाँ पर राजस्थान में होता है ट्यूबवेल के थ्रू. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोजेक्ट राजस्थान फर्स्ट टाइम स्प्रिंकलर इरीगेशन? दैट वाज नर्मदा कैनल जो है इसके थ्रू. The Som Kamla Amba, that was Dungarpur. In which of the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, that was 215. In which of the following Rajasthan Anna's Dam in the Banswara. Identify the correct order. Bisalpur Dam, that was the Banas River, that is correct है. ठीक है. द जॉइंट मल्टीपर्पज़ रिवर वैली प्रोजेक्ट जो था चंबल में आएगा. जॉइंट मल्टीपर्पज़ रिवर वैली. फेमस बटाडू वेल, दैट वाज द बाड़मेर. द गराड़ा बृहद पेयजल परियोजना, दैट वाज द बूंदी. इंटीग्रेटेड वाटरशेड मैनेजमेंट, दैट वाज द प्रधानमंत्री कृषि सिंचाई योजना. पेयर ऑफ द डिस्ट्रिक्ट बेनिफिशियरी फ्रॉम द चौधरी कुंभाराम कैनल, दैट वाज द हनुमानगढ़ एंड झुंझुनू. Which river does not get the benefit from the Javai project, that was Barmer, do not get from the Javai. Oldest and the developed canal, that was known as the Indira Gandhi Nehar project. In which of the district Parvan project is located, that was Bara में है Parvan. The Som Kamla Amba, that was Dungarpur district. The Gang canal oldest, that was 1927. The Gang Nehar, that was in the Satluj. Traditional water storage system, that was to Khalind. Origin of the Indira Gandhi Canal, that was the Harike, Biraj and Satluj. Which region of the following are the irrigation of the drinking from the Indira Gandhi, that was western region. Which region Rajasthan will benefited from Indira Gandhi, so that was northwestern. Which is the following statement not correct? So water of the Indira Gandhi project used the irrigation only, that is not true. Which is not correctly matched? Indira Gandhi project in Rajasthan and Punjab, that is not correctly matched. Which is the following dam located Chambal rivers, Jawar Sagar and Rana Pratap. तो select the following बताना था. अब हमें बताना है यहाँ पर कि कंसर जो था, कंसर लिफ्ट प्रोजेक्ट, so that is related to the Bikaner, and the Gandheli Saiba is related to the Churu, and Rajiv Gandhi lift canal जो है that is related to the जोधपुर, and the गजनेर जो है वो नागौर. so राजीव गांधी जो था that was जोधपुर. okay, now next है हमारे पास में कि भीम सागर प्रोजेक्ट. यहाँ पर नॉट मैचिंग, तो चोली इरिगेशन जो है बूंदी में नहीं है, भीम सागर झालावाड़ में है. परवन, that is in Bara, and the Samanbado, that is in Kota. Gagrin, so Gagrin in Jhalawar, Takli in Kota, Lahasi in the Bara, and the Chakkan in the Bundi. Now Gagrin in the Jhalawar, and Piplar in the Bara, and the Gardada, that was in Bundi, and Takli in the Kota. So this is all about some questions I discussed.